We're doing another one of my weekly collection videos. I haven't been able to keep up with them very well because trying to edit and do all the other stuff and work all the time is starting to kind of become overwhelming. So, without any further ado, or all that other fun stuff, we're going to go through one from a few weeks back. Basically, it's from when I decided to go river surfing. I was out exploring and decided to take on the bank and slid into the river. I ended up having to get a new phone. I had to, almost drowned one of my little GoPro-y things, one of my cameras, and it's been giving me issues since then. But, nevertheless, my children thought I was special for trying to drown myself. So, we're going to go with some of the stuff that we got from it. One, this cool looking old bottle. So, we'll put that there. We got, just a couple other kind of cool looking bottles. A couple have a lid. Those will end up being some winter projects because, hey, it's cold. I'm in the Midwest. Ooh. It's a interesting bottle. It's got the name on the side. Something. Fletcher? I don't know. Kind of a cool little bottle. So we shall put those there. We will clean them up when it gets cold and I can't do anything. We have a Schwinn bike seat. Not very good. Couldn't find the rest of the bike that this went to, so either somebody took just the bike seat off and didn't want to sit on anything, or then just some weird stuff. So we will throw that into the pile of collectible metal stuff. Another piece of glass. Not sure what it is. Pretty sure I get some water on this. Throw it in a container with some water. Let it soak all that mud off. We shall find out what that stuff is. We have vaping thing. Yeah. That is not metallic, nor goes in any of this stuff. Chunky metal. We have not the slightest clue. Another dirty, rusty chunk of metal. We have another part of a fishing pole. From the looks of it, looks like one I found the bottom half to. I doubt they go together, but if they do, I might have almost an entire fishing pole. Ah, this one's got no eyelids. So, we have junk fishing gear. Crap. Yeah, stinky. I don't know. Brother thought it was an oven pan thing or something goes off an oven. So we'll just set this over there. Oh! I did not find these in the river, but I have some gloves. We'll throw them over there, put them back in the vehicle. Probably part of a stove. I don't know. Can't be certain. Have to go back and fish there some more. So we got that. Metal pipe. Brother said this was a phone thing. It's like a Southwestern Bell or one of them. Probably why you can't get reception worth of crap. So, sorry, somebody threw it in the river. Can I say, people are jerks, so sorry about your crappy cell phone reception, or landline reception. We found, here's the trash. It's plastic, get it out of the river, doesn't need to be in there. I did find a padlock. out what the combination is. So I have a padlock. Lock something up if I figure out the combination. We did find peach mango green tea non-carbonated. Throw that in my can collection. That trash can is almost getting full. And that's just from the cans I have found out on exploring. So that's not including all the monsters I drink during the day and collect and all that stuff. That's just from exploring. So I almost have an entire trash can. We have rusty chunk of metal, rebar-y style. Another goofy chunk of metal. You were missing part of their truck. Found it. So, if you're missing part of your truck, I'll take a $50 finder fee for your piece off of your truck. I will bring it back to you for $50. Plus gas expenses. And 2 Pepsis. Maybe an energy drink too. I don't know. We can negotiate. I am not against it. We have an actual piece of rebar. I have a chair. I don't think I can sit on it. It might fall apart. So we shall add this to the collection over here. I have, looks like, really old, rusted, decayed, deteriorated chunk of fence post. Gonna have to sweep in here. I have a metal pipe. Probably won't do any good against children's boyfriends or anything, but hey, I'm not against the idea. Just some odds and ends. I did find this cool little lock thing, or not lock, but I'm not 100% sure what it is, but it looks like something I could clean up and would be kind of cool, so I will set that over there. I'm gonna start clearing out this area and start just hanging some of the cool stuff that I find that I like on the wall. Chunk of metal, rusty spike metal. Man, if vampires and zombies ever show up, I got tons of stuff to take them out, so we're good on that. Yeah, more rusted stuff. Let's see, did not find this in the river, but found a probably not very elasticy bungee cord, so we'll throw that in the trash pile. Another square chunk of metal crap. A lock for a utility box. Some of you are breaking the law by breaking this off. So you are in there changing. That is illegal. That is wrong. Good job. Do not promote or condone this kind of behavior. I want everybody to know. More odds and ends, metal stuff. And, ooh, I got a bead. And a nut. It is a nut. And there's a bead. So, alright. So we shall add that. We have now successfully taken out a box of stuff. That box is done. My nose itches. Deal with it. Somebody's thinking about me. Suck it up. People like me. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I appreciate all of it. And I almost got enough stuff to take into the metal collection, people. So we'll see what we keep going with it. Thanks for watching. Later.